Assalamualaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix Facebook Creator Studio app not working on Wi-Fi. This problem happens when you use the software for a long time. We will try to solve this problem in few steps. You can watch the full video. This problem occurs for several reasons. First, check if your mobile date and time are correct. Click Settings. Then click System Settings. Click Date and Time. Then turn off set time automatically. Then wait 5 seconds. Then turn on set time automatically. Some phone functions are different. If you don't have this option, like me, how do you solve it? Click Settings. Click Search bar, then type date and time. Hope you understand. Next step. Then remove your connected Wi-Fi. Then connect again with password. Next step. You need to clear the data of the software that has the problem. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Click Settings. Click Apps. Then click App Management. Find Facebook Creator Studio app. Click Facebook Creator Studio. Then click Data Use. Then turn off Disable Wi-Fi. Then click Storage Use. Click Clear Data. Then click OK. Click Back. Open Google Play Store. Then search Facebook Creator Studio. Click Facebook Creator Studio. If you get any update, please update. After following all the steps, restart your phone. Next step. Then turn off your Wi-Fi router once. Wait a minute. Then turn on your Wi-Fi router. Next step. First connect your Wi-Fi. Then open any browser. Then type router IP address. Type your router's admin panel password. Click System Tools. Then click Reboot option. Click Reboot button. Wait until the process complete. Restart your phone. If you like the video, please share with your friends. If you have any problem, please comment. Thanks for watching.